Now we have got some fantastic price action and some amazing price predictions coming up for altcoins and meme coins. We're going to be talking about Ethereum, we're going to be talking about Solana, and we're going to be talking about some meme coins in the video today. I am loading up, ready for the biggest bull market that the cryptocurrency space has ever seen. Now you guys can see on the screen right now, Ethereum is the next institutional gold standard. Why Tom Lee's $5,500 price prediction is a macro-driven buy signal. So we're going to discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro. Now, we have had a lot of good action going on over the last couple of days. Price predictions are amazing for Ethereum at $5,500, and that's a rather conservative one. A lot of people are talking, even Tom Lee himself, by the end of the year, discussing Ethereum to $10,000 to $12,000 per coin. Right now, sitting at $4,571. It is down just slightly over the last 24 hours, 0.9% lower, but a 7% gain on the week. Other altcoins, XRP is up, BNB is up, Solana up 4% on the day today. Dogecoin's up. You've got a lot of very strong activity happening, and I believe that it's going to lead to even more gains. So let's break this down and let's anticipate a very nice market ahead. It says that institutional capital is shifting to Ethereum due to regulatory clarity, tech upgrades, and macroeconomic incentives. The SEC's 2025 utility token reclassification boosted Ethereum ETF inflows to $27.6 billion. 3.4 million Ethereum is now held, guys, by just 17 public companies. Think about how early you are, right? Only 17 institutions right now, 17 public companies hold Ethereum. I mean, we are talking about the beginning stages. Now, I do believe we got a very strong bull market ahead of us, and we might have a nice pullback ahead of us too if we get into bear market territory. But imagine the next few cycles that come. You might be sitting there thinking, dude, I don't want to wait, right? I don't want to wait another 4 or 5 years. But imagine riding this cycle. And imagine riding just one more, and the price predictions are insane for 2030 and beyond. Now, I'm not going to read the entirety of this article, but I want to go down to the bottom where it kind of summarizes everything. It says the macro-driven buy signal, why $5,500 is within reach. Tom Lee's $5,500 price target is anchored in macroeconomic fundamentals. The surge in ETF inflows, $1.3 billion, guys, added in 4 days during the third quarter of 2025, signals strong institutional confidence. Additionally, reduced exchange-held Ethereum liquidity has tightened supply, while staking yields and regulatory tailwinds create a self-reinforcing cycle of demand. Analysts project Ethereum reaching $7,500 by the end of the year, citing ETF-driven liquidity and institutional-grade utility as key drivers. So it says that Ethereum's ascent to the institutional gold standard is not a fleeting trend, but a structural shift. Regulatory clarity, technological innovation, and macroeconomic incentives have created a virtuous cycle of demand that transcends speculative trading. Tom Lee's $5,500 prediction is not just a price target. It's a signal of Ethereum's growing role in the global financial system. For investors, this represents a rare opportunity to align with a macro-driven narrative that is reshaping the future of capital allocation. And that is exactly what I'm doing. Guys, we are watching this market play out in real time the exact same way that it did in 2021, in 2017, and in 2013. Now, though, it's got more exposure, it's got more regulatory clarity, it's got institutions jumping on board, it's got all of the signs to make this a super cycle like we have never seen before. So with that, I am adding altcoins. I bought Ethereum the other day, like 3 nights ago, when everything fell down pretty heavy. I bought Ethereum, I bought Solana, and I bought some SUI. Now, these are not the only ones that I own, right? I own multiple altcoins, and I own multiple meme coins. I am also loading up on tokens like Snorter. Because as Solana is rising, and Solana is rising beautifully right now, Solana is sitting at about $215, right? $215.52 up 4% of the day and 17% on the week. What's going to happen is this is going to trigger retail emotion. It's going to cause that FOMO buying, and retail investors love meme coins. Now, Snorter token is building essentially a trading bot on the Solana network utilizing Telegram so that you can get faster and cheaper trades, and you can target those meme coins with extreme precision. And because of that, I have bought in. If you guys are interested in learning more about Snorter token, you got a link for it down in the description below. You can check out all that you need to know. It's very easy to go through the process of connecting your wallet and so on. So if you make that decision that you guys would like to earn some and own some as well, you've got everything you need down in the description below. With that, what are they doing? Right? They've already raised $3.5 million, and in the next 1 day and 18 hours, the price is going to rise again. These guys have the lowest fees on Solana, fastest execution on Solana, and they beat the trading competition in terms of trading bots across the board. Now, if you're looking at it and you want to learn a little bit more, they've got frequently asked questions down at the bottom of the page, and you can also follow their X account or their Telegram account and see that they've got 14,500 followers that they've amassed already. Why? Because people understand what is about to happen. Retail will return to crypto. The vast majority of retail is going to return to crypto after it's too late. Those that are in now will reap the reward. So I'm excited about it. I continue to buy. If you guys are interested in buying or trading or learning more, you've got links for everything down in the description below. Let me know what you think about it. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.